Log in with your Connect Fax ID. This is what your Connect SIC dashboard will look like. SIC means short interval control. It identifies performance leakages and helps in preventing operational losses. Connect SIC helps the user to capture real-time key parameters to track productivity of operations. Whenever there is drop in productivity, the notification and escalation loops helps immediate intervention of the supervisory staff to restore productivity. As you move to My Activities and select the allocator, you can see the pending work orders and issues against each role. Once the issue is accepted and resolved, it can be fed into the system and the query is closed. Take additional precautions and improve operational efficiency with Connect SIC. Start your free trial today.